Hey guys, what's going on? Today we got some stuff in the mail for the 135. Pretty excited. I feel like this car really needs it. It's gonna really transform the back of it. So let me show you what we got. Let's open it up. All right, here's the box. I actually picked this up right off eBay. It was pretty cheap. It was about $100. I think like 104. It looks perfect, especially for $100. I know the BMW brand one is it's around $300 to $400. So I have no idea if it fits good or not, but I think it's probably going to go good with the carbon fiber diffuser we have here going on. So yeah, let's put you down. We have to remove this one. I'll probably use just some fishing line and get it taken out, and we'll install the other one. Let's go. All right, the lip is all gone. Now you can see all the leftover glue. I'm gonna try this right here and see if it takes it out. And probably scrape it with this and see how it works. Let's try it. All right, the glue's all off, but you can kind of see all the lines. I put some cutting compound, so let's see if we can remove all that and make it nice and smooth right before you put the lip in. All right. So I just test fitted it in, and we have a little issue. If you look at the line, I did not glue it, so it just sit in there. But you can see it's hanging over the actual trunk. So I'm going to email the seller and see what he says. But other than that, I mean, if we get the right fitment, I think it'll look really good. It's gonna match really good with that. So let's email the seller and see what he says, and we'll get back to you, all right? All right, guys, it's been a couple weeks since the last video. I had to end up returning the spoiler, and I bought this one instead off eBay. It took a couple weeks to get here. It came from China. It's $100, a little bit cheaper than the one I bought before, but I figured, hey, let's give it a try, and if it doesn't work, we'll just return it and buy an OEM one. But here it is. Let's clean up the underside here with alcohol wipes, clean the whole trunk with alcohol wipes. We'll put the double-sided tape and test fit it, and let's see how it goes. Another step I like to do is I'm gonna put it exactly where I want it, and then with blue tape, I'm just gonna mark it the exact corners. So that way, once I take the double-sided tape, I can just stick it down exactly where I want it. So let's do that. Let's set you down and keep going. All right, let's clean the area now with the alcohol wipe, and let's just stick it on. All right, guys, let me know what you think. I give the fitment about 8 to 9 out of 10. There's a tiny little gap right there, but other than that, it fits perfect. It actually looks really good too. Let me know what you guys think.